Hello guys, what's up? I'm Brian here, and I have to make a bunch of corrections to this photo because apparently I messed up on a few things. First up, let's go to the bottom shelf. I said that this was Windblade, and apparently it's not. It's actually Misfire, which is a remold of Trigger Happy. And I can see based on the transformation, yeah, this definitely looks more like Misfire. Although, can you blame me? The alt mode really does look like a Windblade look-alike, and the figure has fallen over, so, I mean, it's really hard to tell. But we are getting a Windblade down the line, so you can't really blame me for messing that up. And then on the top shelf, let's take a look at some of the figures that I have to make corrections for. I basically messed up on most of these figures on the top shelf. The only one that I got right was Quickswitch, and that one I had to research. Basically, let's take a look at the black version of Optimus Prime. That is not Octane. That is either a Nemesis Prime, a Scourge, or it's going to be called Nemesis Optimus Prime or something like that. But just like the Battlecore Optimus Prime did for Nova Prime, it might be called something else, but it's actually meant to be Nemesis Prime or Scourge. And then right beside him, we have Nautica. I said that this was Blitzwing. No, it's actually Nautica, which is a deluxe class remold of the Blur and Brainstorm. So that's pretty awesome. I can't wait to have Nautica in the toy line. This is a character that I wanted for so long, and I'm so glad she's coming out, because have you seen her in the comics? She's adorable, and I'm saying that about Transformer, but she is. And then the little red character is actually Fastlane. Even though he looks a little too small for me, it's actually Fastlane. I don't know if we're gonna get his brother down the line, but that's who he is. So yeah, hopefully that guy, hopefully all that pleases you, with the corrections, and you guys don't tell me that I messed up constantly in the comment section, even though you guys are gonna do that. So anyways, that is pretty much it. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, I have to point out that the picture in the background looks like a flying Power Master Optimus Prime. Are we getting a Hasbro release of God Gen Roy? We'll have to see!